All right, in order to do this practice, we need the slope formula. So here it says, find the slope of the line passing through A, 3, 7, and D, 6, 11. Use the sketch tool to show your substitution work with the formula, then enter your answer below. So as you work through this practice, you're going to see that it should correct or let you know if you're correct as you do each problem and enter it in this box here. So let's first start out with the formula, because right here it said we needed the formula. So the formula for slope, I'm going to write it here. M, oops, hang on. M equals y2 minus y1 over, oops, that should be a fraction line. Let me fix that. Over, I can't draw with my finger the way you guys can. X2 minus x1. Okay. You also can use this text tool if you want to make a text box instead of trying to draw it with the pencil tool. So one thing to think about is, what is my y1? What do all these things mean? So I have 2 points over here. I have a 3, 7, and I have 6, 11. So actually, let me write those out real quick. So 3, 7 is my first point, and 6, 11 is my second point. So each point has an x and a y. Let me fix that. My x is the first number, and my y is the second number. Okay. So this is my x3 for this one. My x for this one is the 6. My y for the first one is the 7, and my y for the second one is the 11. So all I'm doing with this formula is just filling in the numbers where they go. And so I just think of it as the first point is my first x, so x1 and y1. And my second point is my second x, my x2 and my y2. Okay, so for y2, the fraction starts with a y2. I'm going to put this 11 in that spot. So when I go to write my fraction, I'm going to say 11, because that's my y2, minus, because there's a subtraction sign, y1, which is my first y, which is 7, over, so make my fraction bar, oops, make a little bit of a straighter line here, over my x2, which is my second x, which is 6, minus my first x, which is 3. And so that's my fraction, the change in the y values over the change in the x values. So all I have to do next is just do the subtraction. So I'm going to make a new fraction, and I'm going to actually just subtract the numerator straight across. 11 minus 7 is 4. So my numerator is 4. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So my denominator is 3. And so my slope is 4 over 3. Make that a little clearer. Okay. So my slope is 4/3. So the way I put that in, oh geez, this is not working out well. Here we go. 4/3. There we go. The way I put that in is I go over to this box. I'm going to type in 4/3. And you'll notice right underneath, it tells me I did a good job. I got it correct. So 4/3 is the slope using this slope formula. It gets a little trickier when you have negative numbers. Notice all of these were positive numbers, but you're really just doing the subtraction. Y minus y, x minus x, and then you're putting your answer here. So you should be able to go through this practice called slope formula practice and do all 4 of these problems, even try the 5th one if you'd like, and practice it here to know if you're doing it correctly, and that way you're prepared and ready for formative. So hopefully that this video helped. Please reach out with any questions. Have a wonderful day.